Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley, in case some of you guys didn't know that. If you didn't know that, that's probably because you are new to this channel. If you are new, please make sure you hit that subscribe button that's down. It's a red button, it says subscribe. Please make sure you hit it, and so you can subscribe to my channel, so you can be notified when I upload a video. You know what I'm saying? Like, support a real girl. So welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a everyday spring makeup tutorial. I don't have no lashes on because I can't find my other lash, and it's so thin, so I was like, you know what, let me just not put on lashes. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you guys like it, and also comment on not the description box, the comment section down below. And y'all, I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys. So you guys, I already did my brows. We up close and personal today. Please do not mind my nails. So first things first, I'm using this cocoa butter formula thing that I don't know, that I seen Beauty by Diamond Goods. She was using it and she said that it works just as a primer, and I don't have a primer, so I'm gonna use it today. You know what I'm saying? Like, come on now, save money, live better. You guys, so I broke my tripod again for the second time. This is my second tripod that I broke, and I'm so upset because now I have to tape my camera onto my freaking tripod so I can film, and this is just sad. But I will get myself another tripod, so don't worry. Okay, so now that my skin is moisturized, I'm going to be taking my L.A Girl Pro coverage foundation. I'm going to be putting that all over my face, and I'm going to be taking my Fit Me, both of them, and I'm going to be putting my Fit Me because this is a little bit lighter than my skin complexion. I'm just taking this foundation brush by Wet n Wild, and I'm going to be like tapping that all over my face, and I'm also going to be blending it out as well. So yeah, y'all, I can't talk. Y'all know, like, English is not my first language, so I cannot speak, but I'm trying. Okay, I'm trying. Piping up on these niggas, you gotta be nice for what to these niggas? For what? Now I'm just going to be blending my foundation with my beauty blender. So let's do it. As well blended, I'm going to be taking my L.A Girl Pro concealer. I'm looking for it. I cannot find it. There's so many stuff in front of me. Oh, found it. I'm going to be taking my L.A Girl Pro concealer. This is in the color creamy beige, and I'm going to be putting it like under my eyes, down the bridge of my nose, my chin, and like down my contour, you know, wherever you would, you know, normally highlight. I'm going to be putting my concealer. Okay, you guys, like, it seems like I started college yesterday, and I'm already in what am I saying? I'm already done with my freshman year. Like, it's summertime. Like, so it's summertime, so you guys know I'm gonna be doing videos like frequently. So I'm putting it out. I have a job, so I don't promise you guys videos every single day, but I will be like uploading a lot over the summer because it's grind time. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's summer. I don't have school. I don't have, you know, other important things, so you guys are gonna be able to see like videos from me. frequent. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, of course. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you be like notified every time I upload a video. I will be doing a video on my freshman year, just because like freshman year was like a bad year for me, like bad everywhere, like in every aspects, grades, it was just horrible. You guys just have to, you know, subscribe to my channel so you could see the video that I'm gonna be making about like my freshman year, because that's just was the worst year of my life. I'm gonna be doing a story time on so many things that happened during that time. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. My friend Ann is calling me, and I'm doing a video. Say hi to my video.
Oh my god, looks so rough.
Hey guys, what was I saying? Yeah, I'm gonna be doing like story times on different things that happened to me during my freshman year. They're not nice things, they're not good things, but like, just make sure you subscribe to this channel, because baby, things that happened to me freshman year, those things never happened to me in my whole entire life. Like, I've never even like imagined myself being in that situation, in those situations I should say. Like, I don't know, just subscribe to the channel so you could see, you know what I'm saying? The nose is snatched and I blend out my highlight. So I'm using my L.A Girl Pro concealer to contour, and I'm using the color Expresso. That's a dark, really dark color, so I'm gonna use it lightly. I like heavy contour, so okay. So now I'm going back with my beauty blender, and I'm using the side part to blend out my contour. So using this cheap L.A Colors setting powder. So you guys, I really love to contour my nose. It's just something about snatching your nose. It's so satisfying. Like, I love to watch other people snatch their nose, and I love snatching my nose. It's just like, wow. It's just, wow. Now that my nose is snatched, I'm going to be taking my setting powder off my face. From heaven, rain down on us, rain down on us. I think I could sing. I used to want to be a singer, but then I grew up and I realized I cannot sing at all. I'm using my big powder brush, and I'm just going to be setting my face with my setting my whole entire face with my Fit Me powder. So yeah, we in this bit, contour on fleek. Okay, Radiance contour palette. Again, I'm going to be using the highlights. Like, sis, we about to glow in this bit.